Hi, my name is Dharantej and I study in Chennai at NPS International School. I have been in robotics schools for about 9 months now, and today I am going to show you my new project, which is the calculator using a keypad. First, I'll explain to you all about my code which I used for this project. So first, we have to define all the libraries so that we can start the project. And then we put all the keys in the keypad into a thing called a matrix where it defines everything. And these are all used for defining the numbers and the variables. So here I'm inputting what operation or clear operation or division or multiplication or addition or subtraction I want to use. And here I actually do the calculation. So it adds a number to the other number, or it divides the number by a number, or it multiplies into another number, and so on. Now I'll show you how it works. Now let's say we have 45 times 8. It will give you the answer, which is 360. Thank you. Now I'm going to show you my project in real life.